What's good? What's good? Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over Bitcoin, guys. There was a beautiful short opportunity that I let you guys know about in the Discord as well as in my previous Bitcoin video. So currently we're sitting at 31,432. The market cap is sitting at 589 billion and the 24-hour volume is 23.9 billion, and we're down about 3% on the day. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the weekly, guys. You can see we're starting to lose the 55 EMA, which is not a very good sign. If we start to break below it next week, we start to backtest it as resistance. That is a sign of entering into a bear market. However, if we do just come down here to 28K once again and we see a quick bounce and we get back above the 55, that would be a beautiful sign. But we can see here with our Corona dump, we broke the 55 EMA, we even broke the 200, and then we bounced back very, very quickly. So there's also the possibility that we break underneath the 55, maybe we come down to 28K, maybe even 26K, and we bounce back very, very quickly. However, if you do see us break below it, we backtest it as resistance. We start to see the bearish cross. That is a large signal that we'd be entering here into a bear market. So let's hop over into the 1 hour time frame. So I talked about this descending triangle. I haven't seen many other crypto YouTubers here talking about this descending triangle. Most of them are seeing the falling wedge. However, I have been noticing that descending triangle pattern. Now, I did enter a trade when we started to break down right here. And I talked about in my last Bitcoin video to keep an eye out for a throwback, and there was a throwback, and my stop loss was right up here at about 33,300, and it almost kicked in. The wicks almost came up to it, but luckily it didn't, and now I'm making some juicy profits. Hey guys, if you want to short and long Bitcoin and Ethereum with me over on Bybit, you can receive up to $600 in bonuses just for signing up through my referral. And I also have a full length tutorial which you can check out to learn how to trade on Bybit, so you can make money on the way up and you can make money on the way down. Now guys, there's something I wanted to show you guys that's pretty cool, at least I think it is. So you can see here we had a bit of a throwback, we had a bounce, and then we started to roll over once again. So what you can do is take your Fibonacci here from your swing low up to your swing high, and check this out guys. The price came right down to the 1.272 extension. I did take some profits because once I saw a little bit of a bounce, I said, okay, I'm going to take some profits just in case we get another throwback up into our descending triangle. So you can see we lost the golden ratio. We came down to the 1.272, and then we bounced. We hit some resistance on the 20 EMA here on the hourly, and we rolled over once again. So it does look like we're coming back down to retest the 1.272 at about 31,142. So that's a level to keep an eye on to see if we create a double bottom here. I'm going to take my Fibonacci out. And now that you've had a little bit of a bounce, you can take your fib once again. You can take your fib, swing low, swing high, and you can even see here we're starting to lose the golden ratio a little bit. So what you can do is you can also target the 1.272. If you start to lose 31,142, then you target the 1.272 extension. These can be areas where you can take some profits. You don't have to take 100% off the table. I only took about 25% right here. And then I wanted to see if we would correct further, if we'd see further downside, which we are seeing here. And if we were to see a little bit of a bounce here, we come down to the 1.272 extension, I'd probably take a little more profits off the table. But that's personally just how I trade. So I'm going to take the Fibonacci here out. So I wanted to show you guys this range in between about 28 to 31K because we've had many bounces. You can see right here we bounced at 30K, we bounced here at 28K. Very, very quick bounces where we come down and we bounce right back up. We bounced here at about 31K right here as well, and down here at 30K. So this has been a major range of support here, and basically it's showing us that we can bounce here at any time. So you should trade cautiously here and keep an eye on this double bottom pattern to see if it forms. You can see we came down here, so we may create a double bottom. If you see us start to hold support at 31,142, just like this guys, and you see a bounce, we could have a little bit of a double bottom. Here would be your neckline, and your breakout target would throw you back up into our descending triangle pattern right up here, just above our level of support at 32,492. So I'm just going to take these lines out here. However, if you see us break 31,142, we don't have it as support. Your next target is down here at 30K. I'll show you guys right now. This wick came down to 30K, and there's another wick here, right here. This green wick came down to about 30K. So I think that would be your next level of support. Remember, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So I'm just sharing my opinion. But we can see here, we're continuing to hit resistance on the 20 EMA. We only broke above it slightly on the hourly. And if we look on the 4-hour chart, we can see we've been hitting resistance on the 20 EMA for quite a while now, and we're continuing to see that. So if we don't bounce from 31K, your next target of support is down here at 30K. And then we have that 28K, which is your technical target. And I believe it's around a 70 to 75% chance when you break down out of a descending triangle of reaching your technical target. So I quickly wanted to show you guys the DXY. When the DXY is rising, the price of Bitcoin is falling. And when the DXY is falling, the price of Bitcoin is rising. And we can see here, all the way since May 21st, when we started to see the crypto market go down, the DXY started to rise. Now we do have a rising wedge, which is a reversal pattern, guys. So keep an eye on this level of support. If you see the DXY start to roll and break this level of support here, that's when you'll see Bitcoin start to continue to rise once again. You can see the DXY is losing a little bit of energy here. You have a high, you have your next high, you have a lower high. So depending on where our high is created here for the DXY, if we were to see some rollover right here, you'd have a lower high once again, and then you might see that fallout from this falling wedge pattern, and that's when you see the price of Bitcoin start to rise once again. However, if we just continue to trend upwards and we break out of this rising wedge and we see the DXY just continue to trend upwards, that's when Bitcoin will start to show those stronger signals of entering into a bear market. All right, guys. So shout out to everyone that has got in on that short trade over on Bybit or whichever platform you're using. Please sign up through my referral if you'd like to on Bybit. It's not available to Americans, unfortunately, but for everyone else in the world, you can receive up to $600 in bonuses and join in on making money whether the market goes up or whether it goes down. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Keep an eye on 31,142. If you don't see that bounce, your next level of support's down here at 30K. And if you do see that bounce, I would watch that level of resistance, previous level of support from our descending triangle. There is a falling wedge pattern that other analysts have been noticing here, but you can see we're starting to fall out of that as well. So I'm still going to stick with my descending triangle. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you're doing well. I'll see each and every one of you in the next video. Please smash that like button. You can check out the Discord where I'm posting chart patterns. I posted this chart pattern before it took place, and it's a beautiful trade opportunity. All right, guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.